Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Design with Us. Today's video is going to be about weaving. If you have seen our previous video, you may know we repaired a broken drawer, and in this video we'll try to hide the stitches on the same drawer through weaving. If you haven't seen our previous video, the link will be in the description. So let's begin. To begin with, I'm trying to mark out space I want in between holes. Each one is 5 mm apart. You can use any yarn you like for this project. I made 35 holes each side using a power drill as I did in my previous video. The holes are big enough for a weaving needle to go through. The next step is to connect the holes using yarn. I'm going to repeat this 35 times. Once finished, I'm going to secure it with a knot. For the next step, I have cut out 150 pieces of yarn slightly bigger than the width of the drawer and divided into 30 sets of 5. Taking 5 pieces of orange yarn and going under 5 lines of red yarn, then over 5 red, then under 5 red. Continue till the end of this line. For the next line, I am going to do the opposite, going above the red ones and then under them. So over and under till the end. One more time, if you tie a knot at the end, it will be easy to keep them all together. This time it is under 5, then over 5, under 5, over 5. Repeat this pattern until the end. So this is the last set, over 5 and under 5. I'm going to secure the ends with UHU glue, which is easily available in hardware and utility stores. Cut out the extra bits and glue the rest to the drawer. This step is optional if you want to add something extra, otherwise leave it like that. So the last step is to cover the pull. As you can see the stitches, which is not very nice. I simply cut out some red and orange yarn and stuck them on the pull. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel.